In a few weeks from now, Samsung will launch the Galaxy S24 series globally, and while we wait for the device to arrive, we already have a lot of details available about them. Some of these details about the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra are certain, while some are speculations, albeit speculations grounded in good reasoning. The year 2024 is almost here, and for tech enthusiasts, the focus at the beginning of the year is going to be on some of the most anticipated phones of the year. One of these is going to be the Samsung Galaxy S24 and its variants. The South Korean tech giant is slated to host its new and next Unpacked event around mid-January, probably on January 17, and is expected to launch three models in this lineup: the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The hype around the new Galaxy S series is heightened due to a leaked teaser of Unpacked event revealing that this time Samsung will add AI-powered features to its new premium smartphone lineup. Now, as we wait for the device to hit the market, we already have a lot of details about the Galaxy S24 and its variants. Some of these details are almost confirmed, while some are speculations, and given that we know how Samsung prices its premium phones in globally, we can also speculate a little about the Galaxy S24 prices. The Galaxy S24 is expected to come with 8GB RAM plus 128GB and 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage configurations. The Galaxy S24 Plus, on the other hand, is likely to be offered in 12GB RAM plus 256GB and 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage versions. Meanwhile, rumors suggest that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be launched with 12GB plus 256, 12GB plus 512GB and 12GB RAM plus 1TB storage options. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.